Welcome to my channel Paper Magic Neha. Today I'm gonna show you a 6x6 mini album. This is just mini album by name, but it have lots of space for photograph, journaling. There are different kind of elements for incorporating photographs, quotation, personalized messages. On the outer cover I have pasted a green pattern paper in the background, which you can get online. I have given a link in the description box. I have pasted two pop slice sticks decorated with pink washi tape, just to give it a look of flower bucket. Here is a small tag saying memories, as it's a photo album. Here I have pasted rhinestones to decorate it. I have kept my other sides of album plain so that it may not overshadow my quilling work. Here is a pink organza ribbon which have cute little strawberries printed on it. Let's open it. This is the first page. This page have 1, 2, 3 and 4 4 sections for 6x6 photographs. And here is the pocket. The pocket have a 4x4 inch photo tag. On this photo tag here is a lined paper where on that you can print, you can write personalized messages, and through fussy cutting I have cutted a pattern, golden pattern, and pasted here so that to give it a good look. Then our second page. In between second and first page there is a pocket. This pocket have 5x5 inch photo mat. The second page have a waterfall card. This waterfall card have 5 flaps, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the 6th flap is permanently pasted. So if you are going to paste photograph on both sides of flap, then you can easily incorporate 11 photographs in this card. Again, the third card is identical to our the third card. This third page is identical to second page. Here also you can accommodate 11 photographs easily. Now our fourth page. In between fourth page and third page there is a slit, a pocket, which also have a photo tag which is 5x5 inch. Now our fourth page. This opens this way. Here is a small pocket made in a Polaroid shape, Polaroid photo shape. Here you can paste a small photograph. The blank space is given for writing messages like happy birthday, happy anniversary, as per your requirement. Here is a photo tag, small photo tag, which is 5x4 inch. On the fifth page we have given a corner pocket and a tag inside it, which is 4x4 in size. In between 6th and 5th page there is a pocket again, and this pocket have a flap kind of tag. Here you can write here you can print photograph, and this space is given dedicatedly for personalized messages. You can write messages, you can write quotations over here as per your wish, as per your requirement. Now our sixth page. This is our sixth page, which is a gatefold kind of card, or you can say a multifold card, where you can paste 1, 2 and 3 big size photograph, and the smaller and on the smaller flap you can paste a small photograph, or you can use it for personalized messages. Now our seventh page. On the seventh page I have given a small slit, a small pocket on the bottom side where 3 photo tags are inserted. These small photo tags are I found them very cute, and you can paste small photographs on them, and you can use backside for journaling. Again, at the upper side there is a paper ribbon, and just to show you the use of paper ribbon, I have inserted a card which I already have in my stock. You can insert another photo tag here. Now our 8th page, in between 8th and 7th page there is a pocket again, and it also have a 5x5 inch photo tag. On the 8th page there is two overlapping flaps, 1 and 2, where you can write messages or you can paste photographs. And here is 6x6 space, which can be used for a big photograph pasting or for small photographs and to make a photo collage. This is the cover or backside cover of our album, which I have kept simple. That's it friends. If you like this, then give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also comment your views in the comment section below. Please subscribe my channel Paper Magic Neha. I have also a Facebook page as Paper Magic Neha. Do like us there also. Thank you.